Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make churro sugar. Start by measuring 1 cup granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon ground cinnamon, then sift together to avoid clumps. Use a fork or small whisk to combine until color and texture are uniform. Taste a pinch and tweak cinnamon to your preference. Store in an airtight container to keep it fresh and ready for frying or baking whenever you crave churros. Gather your ingredients and tools before you begin. You only need granulated sugar, ground cinnamon, and optionally a pinch of salt for balance. Have a fine mesh sieve, small whisk or fork, and an airtight jar ready. Pre-measuring saves time and keeps the process tidy. If you like a softer coating, pulse the sugar briefly in a blender. For a crunchier finish, keep the sugar grains as they are. Experimenting with flavors keeps churros exciting and personal. Try a pinch of nutmeg or cardamom for cozy warmth, or grate lemon or orange zest for a lively citrus kick. For a finer mouthfeel, blend in a tablespoon of powdered sugar. You can also add a little cocoa powder for chocolate churro sugar. Always mix small test batches so you can tweak proportions before making a larger amount to store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.